And this question evaluate means we have to evaluate using identity, means without actual calculation. Now see how can I convert in easy form. It can be written as 100 plus 4 whole cube. So which identity will be used? X plus y whole cube. Now only we have discussed x cube plus y cube plus 3x square y plus 3x y square. So 100 plus 4 cube will be equal to 100 cube plus 4 cube plus 3 into x square, means 100 square into 4 plus 3 into 100 into 4 square. So what will be the answer? See, here it is cube. Generally children make mistake in this. So it will be this thing. Then 64 plus 12 and then it will be 4800. Fine. So after adding all these values, the answer will be 1124864. This is my answer. Now next example is again evaluate. Now how we can write 1000 minus 1 whole cube. Now which identity we will be using? X minus y whole cube. X cube minus y cube minus 3x square y plus 3xy square. So 1000 minus 1 whole cube, it will be equal to 1000 cube minus 1 cube minus 3 into 1000 square into 1 plus 3 into 1000 into 1 square. Now see again, cube is there, so what number it will become? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 minus 1 minus 3 and plus 3000. So after solving, what answer we are getting? 997002999. So this is our answer. Now the question is again factorize. So we have to use again, as I told you, reverse identity, but we have to decide which identity we should use. Now see, 2 times cube is there. So that means it is the identity of either x plus y cube or x minus y cube. But as all the signs are positive, so it is the identity for x plus y whole cube. Let us try to convert in that form, but firstly we will write the identity. It is x cube plus y cube plus 3x square y plus 3xy square. You can see here also we are getting x square y, here also. So xy square means I can write this in this form. So this can be written as 8x cube means 2x whole cube, 27y cube means 3y whole cube, then plus 3x square y, 3, now what is x? 2x, x square, and y is 3y. So I can check. It will become 3 into 4, 12, 12 3 is a 36, x square y. So same thing we are getting, and last term is 3xy square, x y square. Again we can check. 9 2 is 18, 3 is 54. So same thing we are getting. That means this form is given and I have to write in this form. So this can be written as x plus y. What is our x? 2x, and y is 3y. So the whole cube, or you can write it 3 times also. In the whenever you get factorize, you can write in. If 2 is there, 2 times you write. If 3 is there, you write it 3 times. That's it. Factorization is done. Okay, now we are going to discuss the last example of this exercise. Again the question is factorize. Fine. but here you can see x cube, y cube, z cube. Now you would have seen an x, y, z. This was also a identity which we have written at last, I think number 10 identity. What was the identity? X cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. It is equal to, it says first bracket will be x plus y plus z, and then second bracket is x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Now already right hand side has two brackets in product form, means these two are the factors, and this form of the question is given. So first of all I will convert this in this form. 8x cube means 2x whole cube, y cube means y cube only, and 27z cube will be 3z whole cube, and minus 3xyz should be there. So 3x is 2x, y z. We can check, are we getting 3 to the 6, 3 is 18. So same thing. Now this is equal to this. Now so answer for this is, first is x plus y plus z. What is x? 2x plus y plus 2z, and in second bracket we have x square plus y square plus z square minus xy, means 2x into y minus yz minus zx. So the last step, it will be equal to 2x plus y plus 2z. Second bracket will be 4x square plus y square plus 9z square. It was here I have written wrong. It was 3z. Z was 3. It was actually 3z. By mistake I had written 2z. So identity will be x plus y plus z, then x square plus y square plus z square minus 2x minus xy minus yz minus zx. So our answer will be 2x plus y plus 3z. Then it will become 4x square plus y square plus 9z square minus, this will be 2xy minus 3yz, and it will be minus 6zx. So this all was about exercise 2.5. I have discussed all the examples, and now you have to try to solve all the questions.